I said I suppose I also use the door.
Yeah, you might
do
as
an eye.
well.
These little green things are good.
Right, it's quite well.
Let's have a look what there is.
You doing another teapot today? Oh, that's a teapot. Did you want to do a cup? Okay, don't worry. Yeah, just take up. We'll.
Oh, I don't know. It's going to end up being for my mum. It might end up being for me.
Do you want to do another butterfly?
Yes, it could.
Okay, so
I think you've got enough
push
clay.
that up again. Yeah,
So I can just... There you go.
there you go. Maybe need a little bit more. Like that, thank you. Okay? Yes. Be slightly bigger. Oh, that's about it. Yeah, that's alright. You okay? Yeah. We've got googly eyes.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna